What are the things you're chasing right now? Perhaps it's having a fantastic and enticing body, perhaps you're vying for a promotion at work, or perhaps you're starting your own business. Whatever it is, the truth is that the things you keep chasing are the things you desire. The same holds true for women in dating. If you want women to pursue you, you must be what they desire. And always, they want an attractive man. The reality is that you attract what you are. You must be an attractive man if you want attractive women to chase you. Doesn't that sound reasonable? But the million-dollar question is, how do I become attractive? The following are the pillars of being an attractive man. First, develop a high self-esteem and respect for yourself. 2, try to be as physically appealing as possible. Get in shape, lose weight, and dress well. 3, be effective. You can work, start a business, or study. It's time to start chasing now that you can say you're an attractive man. If you want women to pursue you, she must have your number or Instagram account. My preferred method is to ask the woman I like for her phone number, and while I'm saving her phone number, I'll send her a text right away. I say to her, "Hey, I'll text you my phone number so you have it." I do this because I want to be the first one to text. The next step is to go on a date with her. Take her somewhere you can talk, get to know each other, and flirt. If you want a girl to pursue you, she has to think about you. That's why I strongly advise you to let her do the majority of the talking on the date. The simplest way to accomplish this is to express genuine interest in getting to know her. You can ask her personal questions such as what are her favorite childhood memories, or what she enjoys doing for fun, or perhaps what she would like to accomplish in the next 5 years. Make an effort to avoid discussing controversial topics such as religion or politics. This serves two functions. First, she'll be curious about you because, well, she'll appreciate your genuine interest in her, and because you barely spoke to her, she'll want to learn more about you. Second, you'll have a lot of information about her to work with so you can decide whether this can go somewhere or not. Now that you've gone on a date with her, give her some space. If you want women to pursue you, the worst thing you can do, especially in the beginning, is to be too out there. Always texting her, reacting to her Instagram stories, or calling her constantly. The key to getting a woman to chase you is to give her space to miss and think about you. That is why I strongly advise you to only use WhatsApp, Instagram, and text messages to set dates. Get off the phone once you've set the date. Don't use your phone to get to know her better or to make her laugh by sending memes. Do not even try. Why? Because texting is boring in the long run, and that is the last feeling you want her to associate with. Text her once a week at first to set up a date, time, and location to meet in person. You'll notice that as the weeks pass, she'll begin texting you first. She'll start following you and asking what you do. Set more dates to meet in person from here. Because she will be chasing you, you will no longer need to text her first. The key to attracting women's attention is to be your best self, show genuine interest in them, and give them time to think about and miss you. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video of The Generous.